Finding probabilities. How to find the probabilities for normal distributed variables using a table and using technology. Probability and normal distributions. If a random variable x is normally distributed, you can find the probability that x will fall in a given interval by calculating the area under the normal curve for that interval. Probability and normal distribution. Consider a normal curve with mean equals 500 and standard deviation equals 100 upper right. The value of x, one standard deviation above the mean, is mean plus standard deviation equals 500 plus 100 equals 600. Now, consider the standard normal curve lower right. The value of z, one standard deviation above the mean, is mean plus standard deviation equals 0 plus 1 equals 1. The z-score of 1 corresponds to an x value of 600 and areas are not changed with the transformation to a standard normal curve. The shaded areas at the right are equal. Finding the probabilities for normal distributions. Here is example. A national study found that college students with jobs work an average of 22 hours per week. The standard deviation is 9 hours. A college student with a job is selected at random. Find the probability that the student works for less than 4 hours per week. Assume that the lengths of time college students work are normally distributed and are represented by the variable. Solution. The z-score that corresponds to 4 hours is z equals x minus mean over standard deviation equals 4 minus 22 over 9 equals negative 2. The standard normal table shows that the probability of z is less than negative 2 is equal to 0.0228. The probability that the student works for less than 4 hours per week is 0.0228. So 2.28% of college students with jobs work for less than 4 hours per week. Because 2.28% is less than 5%, this is an unusual event. Another example is a survey indicates that for each trip to a supermarket, a shopper spends an average of 43 minutes with a standard deviation of 12 minutes in the store. The lengths of time spent in the store are normally distributed and are represented by the variable. A shopper enters the store. A. Find the probability that the shopper will be in the store for each interval of time listed below. B. When 200 shoppers enter the store, how many shoppers would you expect to be in the store for each interval of time listed below? 1. Between 22 and 52 minutes. 2. More than 37 minutes. So, finding probabilities for normal distribution. So, z sub 1 equals x minus mean over standard deviation equals 22 minus 43 over 12 is equal to negative 1.75. Z sub 2 is equal x minus mean over standard deviation equals to 52 minus 43 over 12 is equal to 0.75. The probability of x is greater than 22 and less than 52 is equal to the probability of z greater than negative 1.75 and less than 0.75. When 200 shoppers enter the store, you would expect about 200 or 0.7333 is equal to 146.66 or approximately equal to 147 shoppers to be in the store between 22 and 52 minutes. Finding the probabilities for normal distributions. Z is equal to x minus mean over standard deviation is equal to 37 minus 43 over 12 is equal to negative 0.5. So, P, the probability of x is greater than 37 is equal to the probability of z is greater than negative 0.5 is equal to 1 minus 0.3085 or equal to 0.6915. When 200 shoppers enter the store, you would expect about 200 or 0.6915 is equal to 138.3, approximately equal to 138 shoppers to be in the store more than 37 minutes. Another